good day everyone, Boss Juvin here, and welcome back to our channel. So if your Epson L110, L210, L300 or L355 printer suddenly stopped printing, has red lights blinking, and is showing error message, a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life on your screen, you are on the perfect video. Now you don't need to throw it away or pay for an expensive technician. In this video I will teach you how to reset it quickly and for free using your computer. All you need to do is download our all-in-one Epson resetter tool located in the description box. Just a quick reminder, if you can't see the link in the description, please check our comment section if our link is pinned right at the top. It is safe and 100% free download. Now make sure your printer is plugged into your computer using a USB cable and is turned on before we start the reset. So let's get started. Now after you've downloaded our file, go straight to your downloads folder. You will see the compressed file for our Epson resetter, Epson L110, Epson L210, Epson L300, and L350 and L355. You just have to right click it and use extract all. If you have WinRAR, you can click on WinRAR and extract to resetter Epson L110, 210, 310, 300, 350, and 355. Now once it is extracted, open that and then the resetter Epson folder. Now inside you will see the application named adjprocrack.exe. Now this is our Epson adjustment program. For it to work smoothly without any system restrictions, you can right click on the adjustment program and click on run as administrator. When a security prompt appears on your screen, just click yes. So okay, alright, now the software interface is now open. Now click the select button. Now here in the model name drop down, you can see, this is very important, make sure to select the exact model of your printer, whether that's L110, L210, L300, L350, or L355. And so what's your printer, what the model of your printer, you have to select there. Now okay, so for the port, you can select auto selection is fine, so click OK. Now once you're there, now let's click on the particular adjustment mode button on the lower right here. So particular adjustment mode, and then okay, in this list scroll down under maintenance section. This is the maintenance section, and then look for waste ink pad counter. Just double click it or click OK. So click OK. Now here in the counter window, put a check mark on the small box next to the main pad counter. Then click the check button at the bottom. This will show the current status of your printer. If it has reached 100%, it means the digital counter is full. That's causing the error, reset error. So if when you click these buttons but it shows an error message like this, communication error, it means it didn't detect your printer. So this is happening right now because I did not connect any printer to my computer. And in your case, if it's showing like this but it's not detecting the printer, you just have to unplug the USB cable and then plug it back in. So okay, now to clear the main pad counter percentage, if it's full, you have to reset it. Check the main pad counter, make sure this is checked, and this time click the initialization button next to it, and it will show this pop-up button, and a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation, and you just have to click OK. Now again, it will show this error because there's no printer connected to our computer right now, but this is working 100% working resetter. Now there you go, super fast. So a pop-up window will appear saying please turn off your printer at this part. Do not click OK just yet. What you need to do is go right now to your printer and press the power button. Completely turn it off. Now once your printer is off, go back to your computer and you can now click the OK button. After that, you can start your printer back on. Now you will notice that's running normally again. It will do the maintenance head cleaning. There are no more blinking red lights and power light is steady. This means our reset is a success. Now that's how easy and fast it is to reset your Epson printer. Again, the link is in the description and in our pinned comment. If this simple tutorial helped you, please leave a like on our video, drop a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe to Boss Jubin channel for more easy tech guides and tutorials. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.